cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni, and in this video we are unboxing a lot of stuff. I think that the concept of this video is pretty much known by now. In this series I'm unboxing the products that I recently bought. I have done another video, basically I'm turning this into a series, but in this channel you can find more videos. Like I have done one for Christmas, one for Black Friday, some unboxings from Shein. So if you're gonna make sure that you're not gonna miss any of the future unboxing videos that are coming, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button in order to encourage me to do a little bit more. Also, those videos are mainly for you to write down in the comments what would you like to see first of the products that I'm showing to you. What I mean here, like you will see a lot of palettes. You can write a comment down below, like prioritize a makeup tutorial or a makeup review for this palette because I'm interested to buy this palette and I wanna know if the quality is good or bad or whatever you think. So do this and help me prioritize correctly my content. But yeah, without any further talking, let's go to the actual video. As you can see, today I have this big box full of products. I think Revolution products are quite obvious, but what you cannot see is that I have some brushes and some extra surprises from other brands as well. So if you're ready for this, let's start! First product for today is this lip gloss from Isadora. Isadora is a Swedish brand, but actually we have this brand in Greece for some reason, so I'm quite used to see products from this brand in Greek shops as well. So when I came here, it wasn't a big surprise. The biggest surprise is that it is actually a Swedish brand. Wow, right? So here we have the Explosive Shine lip gloss, and actually it's one of the most beautiful lip glosses that I've ever had. I don't know if you can see it, I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. You need to see this, like you need to see this. I don't know if the camera is focused enough, but it contains micro glitter and I think that it contains duochrome glitters, and on my lips it's, oh my god, it's like a dream. It's just amazing. It's quite expensive for a gloss, okay? Let me admit that. But trust me, it's worth the money. I have already tried it, as you can obviously understand. Like, I couldn't wait. I saw it. Basically, I found it at a grocery store. I tried it and I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing. And since then, I cannot stop wearing this. Today's gloss is not this one right here. And actually, it's the first day that I'm not wearing this since I bought it. But I thought that it was quite irrelevant for this makeup. By the way, if you want to see a tutorial for this makeup, I have already filmed that. And it's a review for Revolution X Soft Palette. So go there at my older videos and you can find it. I'm gonna continue with my order from Revolution, but before I start telling you about products, let me tell you some general things about my order, right? So basically my order came in a carton, not even a box. So imagine that this is a carton, okay? They did basically this with the carton, they just folded. They used some tape at the edges and this was supposed to be my box. It was ridiculous, like all the corners were practically open. So of course I lost 2 or 3 items from my order, and then I texted Revolution on WhatsApp and I told them like, this is unacceptable. At least I want some refund for the products that I have lost, and also I want you to be more careful because I really want to order from you. I think that you have quite interesting products, and in the end, if I'm giving you my money to get some products, I don't want my money back, I want the products. So it was very unfortunate. Yes, they refunded me. They didn't ask a lot of questions like, oh, how can we skip it or anything. They said, yes, you're right, take your money back. But still, I would like to mention this because obviously, I'm not very happy. Anyway, I told what I wanted to tell you, and now let's go to the products. So first of all, I bought a headband, and this is from a collaboration that Revolution had with Cocoa Pebbles. Pebbles? I'm not sure. I don't live in America. I've never been in America. I haven't tried them. I think that they look quite interesting as cereals, but I'm not a big fan of cereals, but anyway, I saw this headband and this was calling my name. This is amazing. I mean, look at this baby blue. This is definitely one of my favorite shades of blue. And I think that this will keep my hair perfectly when I'm doing all my makeup looks, and hopefully this is gonna help me a lot. Next, I bought these lashes. These are from another collaboration, this time with Aristocats. Oh my god, every time that I have to say this word, I'm getting so confused. So in Greek it's Aristogates, so in my mind it's like Aristocats? Am I saying it correctly? Please write down in the comments. I think these lashes are coming in the cutest packaging I've ever seen, in a perfect packaging. If you see, they're not very big, but actually, because I have tried them, I want to be honest with you, they're giving to my natural lashes a very nice boost. They're not looking like you're wearing false lashes, or they are not giving this dramatic effect, but they are making my natural lashes more dense. So this is something that I think that it suits a lot of the makeup looks that I'm doing. I'm gonna continue with another collaboration of Revolution, and this time I'm talking about the collaboration that they had with DC, and specifically for their palette Harley Quinn. Actually, I have filmed a review and a tutorial for this palette, and let me give you a little spoiler here. I'm quite happy with the quality. Let me show you the color scheme. Yeah, this is the color scheme. I think that this is so dreamy. It contains some of the most favorite colors that I have in this life, and I'm so happy that I see them all together. For more details, don't forget to check my tutorial if it is already up. If it is not, it's coming very soon. Next, I bought this setting spray, and unfortunately I received it without the lid. I got refunded for this as well because I find it unacceptable, as I already told you with the whole situation with the package. It's called Fixing Spray Cookies and Cream, and oh my god, it smells beautifully. I love so much the smell that it has. I haven't tested it yet. I know only about the smell because, you know, I'm crazy about, you know, smelling things and about my cosmetics having more unique smells, I would say, like the gingerbread cookie that I had with Too Faced and everything like that. So the first thing that I did when I got it is to smell it. I'm planning to test it soon. It seems very promising as a product, and I'm looking forward to tell you my opinion about this. Next, I'm not gonna tell you about a product, but actually I'm gonna tell you about a set of products. I'm talking about Revolution X Soft, the Ultimate Collection. I think it had around 50% off, so I decided to try the whole collection. Let me show you what is in the box. First of all, we have the highlighter palette from Soft. You can see one of the highlighters on my cheeks today. Actually, another spoiler, this makeup is done by the palette and the highlighter palette from Soft. Now, talking about the palette, here we have the Extra Spice. Actually, Soft has released 3 palettes with Revolution, if I'm not mistaken. This is the second one. I only have this in my collection. I have a tutorial, as I already said you, but if you feel that you want me to try the other 2, please write a comment down below, and next time that I'm gonna order from Revolution, I'm gonna make sure that I will include the other palettes in my collection. So this is the palette, this is the color story. Actually, in my mind, this is a palette for fall. It's bringing me autumn vibes, a lot of autumn vibes, as you can see from my makeup. The only negative thing about this palette is the packaging, because it can get dirty very easily. Look at my fingerprints. I don't like it. Like, it's not something major, it's not something that would make me say that I don't want this palette, but definitely I need to mention it because, you know, I have my things, and this means that basically every time that I'm touching this packaging, I need to clean the palette in order to make sure that I'm calm and happy. Anyway, let's forget about the palette and let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so I'm touching 3 lipsticks. All 3 lipsticks are nude shades. So here we have syrup, here we have cake, and here we have fudge. I haven't opened any of these, so I don't have an opinion, unfortunately. I have heard very positive comments about all 3 of them, but my review is coming soon. And last thing in the package, and the product that I felt the most disappointment for. So here we have a brush set. Do you want to see this brush set? I don't think that you want to see it. But anyway, I'm gonna show you either way. Can you see the brushes? These are my fingers. These are the brushes. Like, come on, is it a set for children? Come on, you cannot be serious with those brushes. They are limited edition, like I can clearly see why. I'm not happy at all. The quality doesn't seem to be that good. Like, why soft? Why? All the packets, all the palettes, the lipsticks seem so nice and so well thought, but these, what are these? I don't know, tell me your opinion. What do you think about these brushes? Next, I decided to buy this coconut baking powder, and I'm really curious to try it because I haven't tried it yet. This is basically the container. Let me open it for you. Oh my god, it's coming with a pom-pom. Look at it, it's so cute. It's smelling like coconut. Oh my god, I'm so happy because first of all, I have these cookies and dreams. No, sorry, cookies and creams. Cookies and dreams was from Elf. I'm confused there. This fixing spray with cookies, and then this powder with coconut. Oh my god, I'm gonna smell like a dream. Let's talk about some lip products. Actually, I had more, but the 2 items that they were lost were lip products, so unfortunately we have only 2. First of all, we have this from I Heart Revolution, the chocolate collection. It's a lipstick in the name Mocha, and if you see, the container is like a chocolate with a droop. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It smells, yes, oh my god, it smells like chocolate. Oh, it's very nice. It's a deep brown, as you can see here. Also, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm planning to do it very soon. And since we are talking about lip products, let me tell you about a lip gloss. This is the Tasty Marshmallow Shimmer Lip Gloss. It's this one right here. Let me smell. Oh, it smells like marshmallows. My heart is melting. Oh my god. Looking really forward to try it. Oh my god. Actually, I think that this formula will be like the other formula that I Heart Revolution had. Give me a second here. Ta-da! This one. These are from the series Metallic Angel Lip Gloss, and I think that the formula is gonna be quite similar, as I can see from the container. Hopefully this will be a little bit better, because in this formula I could feel the glitter and it wasn't the most nice sense on my lips, but if they have actually improved that, I will be very happy, because this was extremely long lasting. Are you ready to talk about something darker? So of course I bought the collaboration palette that they have done with Tim Burton's movie Corpse Bride. Corpse Bride and Nightmare Before Christmas are among my favorite movies. I love the characters. I have already done 2 makeups with those characters. I mean, if you look at my Instagram, which is Catlady Antigoni, I'm gonna leave it there, you will understand my deep love about those characters. This palette gives a great vibe. It's dark enough, it's moody, and it has 2 scenes from the movie. Here, when Victor meets Emily, and here when Emily is at the underworld. Let me show you the color story. Oh my god, even the plastic has the bats and the birds. And it says something. Let me try to read it. With this hand I will lift your sorrows. Your cup will never be empty, for I will be your wine. With this candle I will light your way in darkness. With this ring I ask you to be mine. Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh my god, I have goosebumps. Like, I love this movie so much. I love this color story so much. Look at all the moody purples. Look at the colors. I'm feeling so inspired to do a lot of makeup looks. Please tell me that you want to see more than one look from this palette, because really one is not enough. And let me finish the Revolution unboxing, but not the rest of the video, because I still have more things to unbox here with you, with something more cute and more colorful. So here we have again from the Aristocats collab, the so pretty highlighter with Marie again. It's in the shade Beloved, because I think there are 3 shades available. I'm not sure, but look at it. It's so beautiful. It has a paw. Oh my god, my heart's melting again today. I mean, can you understand why I keep buying stuff from Revolution? They are doing the best packages out there. I think they are amazing. And the color is so beautiful. I haven't tried yet, because I'm planning to do makeup where I'm gonna use only products from Revolution, and I think that this highlighter will be used in this makeup. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So in today's video I'm unboxing stuff, and I have realized that I never told you the Greek word for box. I'm here today to correct this. So in Greek for box we say kuti. It's pretty easy, right? Say with me, kuti. Kuti. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word kuti. Tell me the word kuti in your own native language, or tell me what do you want me to unbox next. Last but not least thing for today's unboxing video are those brushes from Bomonde. Bomonde is a UK indie brand. They sent me those brushes in order to test them and tell my opinion, and let me tell you, they are amazing. Basically, as you can see, they are dirty because I have done this makeup in order to review them. They are so soft, they are synthetic because Bomonde is cruelty-free and vegan, and I'm so happy with the quality. Actually, they didn't came like that. They came in this cute fabric pouch right here, but unfortunately I cannot put them back because I have told you they are very dirty and I want to keep this clean. Hopefully next time I will be able to show you the brushes more properly in the fabric pouch, but not now. And that was it. That was our video for today. I hope that you're enjoying the unboxing series here in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to see any product review as a priority, don't forget to leave a comment down below. See you on Tuesday with a makeup tutorial, and until then, bye bye!